Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coursera website. First, navigate to the Coursera homepage. You can easily create a free account using your email address or by connecting through a social media platform. Once registered, you gain access to a vast catalog of thousands of courses and hundreds of specializations. Utilize the powerful search bar and various filters to efficiently locate content that aligns with your learning goals. Coursera offers diverse learning paths, from individual courses to comprehensive specializations and even full online degrees. Take time to preview course syllabi, learn about the expert instructors, and understand the specific learning outcomes before committing. Many courses allow you to enroll for free or audit the content, providing limited access to materials without a certificate. This is a great way to sample content. Once enrolled, engage actively with the course content. This typically involves watching high-quality video lectures, completing assigned readings, and working through practical exercises. Participate in the vibrant discussion forums to interact with fellow learners and instructors, fostering a collaborative environment. Remember to submit all assignments and quizzes by their deadlines to receive valuable feedback and earn your course grades. Upon successfully completing a course or specialization, you can earn a verified certificate, which is a valuable credential. These certificates can be proudly displayed on your professional profiles, like LinkedIn, to showcase your newly acquired skills to potential employers. Coursera also provides access to various career resources and job-seeking support, helping you leverage your education for professional advancement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.